Good morning guys, it's Colin here from Auto Clarity in Southport. So this has just come in. Lovely clean example. It's a BOXSTER S 3.2. It's the manual, so it's the one to have. It's got an aero kit factory, but it's in lovely order. It's been really well looked after. Last owner's had it for quite some time. So it is a 2003, done 94,000 miles, but it's such a clean thing, we thought we'd go on with it because it drives really well. Sounds perfect. No warning lights, no nothing. So it's got the lovely Porsche alloys with the crest, the alloy crest in it there. They were an upgrade. Really nice and clean inside. Leather's in great condition. Got the crests in the headrest as well. It does have the Bose sound system as well, which was an upgrade. But really nice and clean, this inside and out. All the alloys are pretty much like that, they're all in lovely condition. So it's got the upgraded 18-inch alloys. So I'll just give me 2 seconds. I'll open the boot for you, and the so in here you've got the reflective thing now, which goes in the back between the two. If you want it to, just stops buffering as you're driving. But really nice and clean in there, and in the front. Again, it's really nice and clean. In there, you got your spare wheel and everything in there. Quite a lot of room in these for a cabriolet. So, start it up for you. So, starts fine with no warning lights. Let's put the seat belt on there so you can see. So there's your mileage, 94,454. Aircon's all working fine, nice and cool. That is blowing cold. You've got the book pack in there as well. Service books in the office. It's got comprehensive service history as well, all stamped up in the book. 6-speed manual gearbox. Sounds exactly as it should do. I'll just put the roof up. So it is an electric roof, and that all works fine. There you go, and then you just lock it in place like that. So guys, that's a lovely little BOXSTER S. If you want to give us a call, pop down, have a little look at it and see what you think. But it's only going one way in value really, this. It's just that sort of age now where they start to appreciate. It is the manual, so it is the one to have. But it's a very clean car, so if you need anything else, give us a shout. We take Partex as well, but I wouldn't hang around too long because it is a nice thing, this. Cheers guys.